In this video, we will understand how to install SQL Server 2025 Developer Edition. Okay, so when you install this SQL Server Developer Edition, in order to work with this SQL Server, we need some software called SSMS. When we install SQL Server, we also need to install SSMS. Let's try to understand what is this SSMS, why we need to install it. Look at this. SSMS stands for SQL Server Management Studio. And this is SSMS is a Microsoft tool used to manage and work with the SQL Server databases. In order to work with SQL Server database, we required a software called SSMS. Using the SSMS, we need to connect to this database and we need to work here. Right. So that reason, first I want to install SQL Server. And in order to work with SQL Server, I need to install SSMS. And we need to connect to SQL Server using this SSMS software. We'll see this today in this video. Okay, so first let me download it. I want to download SQL Server, right? Just open Google and search for SQL Server download. When I search for SQL Server download, you get Microsoft Server download link. You just open the link. Once you open the link, we'll go to the page where you can find the software. Recommended to download SQL Server 2025 Developer Edition. It's a free software and it will have all the features. Click on download now. When I click on download now, software will start downloading and you can go to downloads folder and you can see the software now. And we can start installing it. To install it, just double click on it. When I just double click on it, it's asking, do you want to make the changes to the system? Click on yes. Once I click on yes, in this screen, just click on basic and just click on accept here. So it's installing in the default path, program file, Microsoft SQL Server. Remember this. And just click on install. It will take some time. I'll pause this video for few seconds and we'll come back. It will take some time here. I'll come back again. Let me pause the video for few seconds. Almost the installation was done. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. We'll wait for another few seconds. Okay. Now you can see a message. Installation has completely successful. Installation has completed successfully. Now, I said that what we do is we install SQL Server now. In order to connect and work with the SQL Server, we need SSMS. We need to install. How to install is in the same screen, we can see an option called Install SSMS. When I click on Install SSMS, it will take you to the web page where we can download the SSMS software here. There is an option, Download SQL Server Management Studio, download it. And when I go to the download, I'll have the SSMS software. Double click on it to start installing. Click on yes. Now SSMS software is getting installed. Continue. Click on continue here. Here, just click on install, guys. So when I just click on install, installation will start and it will take couple of seconds again here. I'll pause the video again. For a couple of seconds, we'll pause the video. Almost installation was done. We are installing SQL Server Management Studio version 22. It was almost done. Let it complete. Okay. Finally, installation was completed here. Now, either you can click on launch to open this. You can launch one thing. What we do now, we install SQL Server and we install SSMS. Now, what I need to do is, I need to, from SSMS, I need to, using SSMS, I need to connect to SQL Server and I need to work. So using SSMS, we can make the changes in the SQL Server. We can manage the SQL Server and we can work with the SQL Server using SSMS, right? One way to do that is, as I said, you can directly click on launch here, or else you close this window. You completed both installation, right? Just close this window, and even you just close this window also. Just click on it. Now, we successfully installed SQL Server in our laptop, and we successfully install SSMS. I'll tell you how to open SSMS. Using SSMS, how to connect to SQL Server, I'll show you now. You just need to go to search bar here and search SSMS. You can see here SQL Server Management Studio 22 version. You can just click on it. When I click on it, it will open. Just click on skip and add accounts later. Just skip it. Now it will open the SSMS software now. Let it open. Once it open, from this SSMS software, I need to connect to the server. What will be the server name is, let me tell you what is the server name. You can go to system information. When I go to system information, there you will have system name, right? This will be the server name. Here, my system name is, I given my name here. This will be the server name. You can select this Sunil and you can just try to give here. Or if you want to see the server, another way is, there is browse. I install in my local computer, go here, you can see here, Sunil. This is the server name, guys. Okay, either you can just, as I said, you can just type Sunil here, or else I said that go to browse, go to local and just select this. Just this is the server. The server, you got Sunil automatically here, right? And I want to connect to the server using Windows authentication and just select this checkbox, trust server certificate, and just click on connect. When I click on connect, I will successfully connect to this server. Right. This is how we explain this 3 steps clearly. Now, you can click on new query. And here we can start creating databases and tables. We can start working here. Okay. So now you are aware of how to install SQL Server, how to install SSMS, and how to connect to SQL Server using SSMS now, right? Okay. Let's stop here. Thank you.